Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out, all right? And then again, a quick disclaimer. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning over here, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional, okay? Good morning, Wayland. Thank you for joining me this morning. Well, again, I'll just do a quick update. I don't think today I got much things as well. Similar yesterday, actually yesterday also nothing much. I opened up my live sections, I think within less than 10 minutes. Okay, I closed already because really nothing like, let's say markets is really bad. I mean, yes, it's bad. Okay, so what we can do is be more patient. Okay, unless I say you're doing for long-term investing, that's different. Okay, you can buy on dip. Right, but normally for me, I look into technical opportunities. I look for short-term opportunity. So that's why in this kind of market, I don't like to participate. Okay, so some people say that, wow, it dropped already, you buy, it can rebound back, but you see, it doesn't drop further. Okay, so sometimes like that. Okay, now let's start with overall IBM KLCI. Okay, now if you got any stocks that you want me to review, comments below. We take a look into that together. Okay, so while this is on weekly chart, IBM KLCI, no point to look into daily chart anymore. Another gap down this morning. I think probably it will do a technical rebound, but overall is super bearish. Okay, so again, like I said last week, if you want to do some technical rebound trades, okay, which is a temporary reversal trades, use the hourly chart to time it. Okay, let's say hourly chart, it didn't show any good setups. For me, I will still avoid. Okay, so lucky last week I don't simply enter those counter like SMB tech like Narila, Netgas I didn't enter because the hourly chart just didn't really show the setups over there. Okay, now here actually is one of the so-called support area. This is 1550, I believe, 1550 area, which is this morning it dropped, closes back right now. Okay, right now it's 9:30. Okay, we still haven't seen towards the end of the day yet. Okay, so yes, this is a very crucial support, another crucial support again for the IBM KLCI using long-term chart. Okay, so this is on weekly basis, going back to this is around 202 okay time. Okay, the time. Okay, so what we have here is that this is like a period of so-called accumulation phase. This is a shakeout area. Okay, so this is like a 1 year or 2 years of shakeout before they push it, try to break this level, but now they fail again. Okay, so I believe that this round probably will drop slightly below 1500. Okay, because previous rejection, normally we miss this shakeout or rejection, right? They will test support again, maybe drop slightly deeper, then push it back. Okay, so unless daily chart show other things, okay, maybe later on the strength's coming back. But for me, because right now, to be frank with you, I still think that the weekly chart is very bad. So the next one I will believe that is somewhere around this area here. Okay, 1465. Okay, 1465 is the next support area that I think we should kind of like watch out. Okay, for the IBM KLCI. Okay, so right now, of course, crucial one 1500. Let's see today will close above or not. Okay, but based on today gap down, I think it's a bit difficult. A bit difficult. Okay, so the next one is 1467. Okay, I believe here 1467 area. So this is the next support area, and this is the shakeout zone that we probably want to see how the market reacts. Okay, so like I said, short terms right now definitely not that suitable. Okay, I'm not sure if let's say anyone of you still interested in the market, still entering the market, or maybe looking for something for long term. Okay, let me know in the comments below. We'll look into that together. Okay, if not, to be frank with you, I really got nothing. Okay, because this kind of market, right? Even though the setup is nice, like for example, last week we do spot like something like KJTS. Okay, it's nice pullback complete, but the next day immediately got selling at resistance already, and now price drop further. So this is one of the reasons why even like counters with operators sometimes in this kind of stocks, right? They need to have a good sentiment for them to push further. If not, normally what they do is that either is the sell resistance like what happened to KGTS. If not, they drop, do a shakeout below support, and then they do another round of accumulation. Wait for the market to turns better, then only they mark up again. Okay. So yeah, normally smart money also will wait for the sentiments. So we also need to wait for that. Okay. So okay, now if you look into FBM Calcea overall, okay, mostly it's red. Okay, only consumer, but it's only a small green. I don't think it's a change of trend kind of thing. Okay, so like healthcare also, it's a very small green candle at this moment. Okay, so it doesn't representing that they will have reversal or something. Okay, just a temporary break from the sell off. Okay, that we are having from here. All right. So no setup yet. Okay, still no setup yet. Okay. Now again, do let me know any counters you're looking into right now. To be frank with you, I don't have any stocks. Okay, this is my current so-called trick signal that I'm having. Okay, of course I do monitor some bearish signals right now because why? I want to see whether today got more selling or buying or not. Got more selling, no need to see lah. Yesterday also, like I said, I opened up my live section 10 minutes, I closed with it. Then after that around 10, 11, I think after 10:30 a.m. I also didn't monitor market. Nothing to monitor. Yeah, the recall bull run say nothing to ask. True, nothing to ask. Okay. So okay, now maybe we look for few counters. Then yeah lah, we just close our section. To be frank, you also really nothing lah. Olga Bio, this Kratom, this kind of illiquid stock normally I don't touch one. Okay, this kind of illiquid stocks you buy really difficult to sell. Okay, okay. Maybank is the one that dropped, but okay, just now luckily got a member in Telegram told me, okay, this is because of the dividend. So okay, all right. I think best is right now is that probably we can actually monitor some of the stocks that are actually showing hammer. Okay, but again, don't simply because you see hammer you buy, because sometimes when hammer, okay, like for example, we talk about Renew in the group. Okay, hammer must confirm one. Hammer no confirm, which means the seller is still there. Okay, so sometimes what happens is that hammer, okay, representing that the price drop, okay, on down candles, but towards the closing, they close up. Okay, so which means got buyer coming in. Okay, so it's a good sign actually. It's a bullish sign. Okay, but provided you have to come from the right place. First of all, second is that normally after hammer already, I will monitor for a few more days. Okay, if let's say price didn't close higher over here, for me the selling still haven't really end yet. Okay, probably it will still drop below. Okay, like for example for Renhill, I think just now I do share out some of the so-called the hammer counter as well, like Maclean. Maclean actually still holding well around support area. Okay, this is one of the stocks that I surprised are still doing well. Comparing to others, they are still doing pretty well actually. So okay, this one worth to monitor. Okay, this one worth to monitor. But entry right now, I takut right now, to be frank. Okay, anything that in this kind of market, like I say, operators will take opportunity to do a shakeout. Okay, a clean shakeout. Okay, probably sometimes from here, 30 cents, they can drop to 20 over cents before they push back up. Okay, so this one you have to tahan if let's say you enter this kind of markets. Okay, now Joanne asked Pardini. Okay, I'll look into based on daily chart and weekly chart. Okay, assuming looking for long term. Okay, Pardini also careful on this inverse pullback. Because right now it seems like they are rejecting around the 40-day moving average. Okay, so which is somewhere around here. Okay, so this is okay. Let me just remove all the line. I think this is the previously I draw for the support resistance. Okay, to avoid some confusion. Now normally I don't like this kind of inverse pullback. Lately, if you notice, got lots of inverse pullback. Okay, inverse pullback is so-called a temporary pullback in downtrend. It's opposite of pullback in uptrend. Okay, so for example here. Okay, because this one rejected for few rounds already. I think need to be slightly extra careful. Let's see weekly chart. Weekly chart, okay. Next support is where? Yeah, I think this is the next support. Around 1.6, probably 1.6 is the next support. Okay, so if I look into daily, okay, so what it means by inverse pullback is that downtrend temporary rebound, okay, but they rejected right exactly at the previous support area. Okay, so the support area become resistance currently. And if you notice also, right, so this candle over here, I actually don't like it. Okay, because what it rejects sell with higher volume. Okay, so if you want to enter right now for a long term, I think okay, maybe you can try to accumulate 1.6 if the price is right over here. If not, wait for them to cross this line first. Okay, so that actually it shows that maybe they still got momentum to try the resistance area. Okay, so inverse pullback, lots of inverse pullbacks right now. Okay, so yeah, need to watch out. Okay, so again, if I look into the analyzer, okay, welcome Weilan. Okay, so analyzer wise, this is based on FA lah, Petrosky F score. 3 out of 9 is not very good as well in terms of FA. Of course, TA, this is TA, one is FA, one is TA. This is combination of FA, TA. Rating is only 1.6. Okay, so TA wise is negative, definitely is not good, okay, as we know. Okay, so there is a quick one for Pardini. Oh, you entered already, is it? You already entered. 1.69. Okay, this price okay. So you are looking to exit right now or what? But I'm not doing any buy and sell call. I'm not qualified to do so. Later you say already the price goes up. Okay, so okay, what I'm trying to say is that this counter here still in downtrend. Okay, this counter here is still in downtrend. So this will be your resistance currently. Okay, around 1.96 or 1.97. All right. So if you want to, maybe here probably you can exit partially. Okay, let's say they hit that. Okay, it should exit partially to see whether they can continue to go up further or not. If let's say no, another shooting star, then you have to be careful already. Okay, so I think right now, if I can pull up some chart and show you all. Right now, lots of counters also inverse pullback. Okay, this one previously, yes, somewhere around here also. Not that obvious, but here. This one is a good one. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, where's my pen? Okay, here, period supports. Okay, here, first, reject, drop. Okay, so this is inverse pullback. Okay, so inverse pullback is something that normally I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, so I think I try IWCT, see whether ada ke tak ada. This one also ada lah. So if you see here, period support, kind of like turn to resistance. Okay, here, I got my strength signal over here. Okay, over this period, so this is like a support. Okay, so here rejected, drop. Okay, so whenever they drop, rejected the resistance, 1 or 2 times, normally it's not that good. Okay, normally it's not that good. Okay, so this kind of thing normally I will avoid. Of course, looking into the chart, if let's say I got no much of the strength signal, I will avoid also. So this part over here still got strength signal, I will still probably trade in this period. But here, if let's say no strength signal, yes, for me that's it. I'm not going to look for the entry. I'm dangerous right now. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, I never know this one will push back up or not. Okay, who knows? Like later operators come back and push the market. Okay, but normally what I do is I just wait for right setup before I do the decisions. Okay, so okay, any other counters you want me to look into? Today is another boring day. Okay, today is not a boring day. Nothing much unless you got questions for me this kind of counter I don't touch So if you want to touch boleh lah, but for me definitely no. Okay, CAB continue to drop further. Wow. Okay, this also the road. Actually, everything almost 50% discount already. So if I look into like all my previous favorite counters like Inari, all this, I realized mostly also 50% discount already. But no setup yet. I also waiting. I'm also waiting for the setups. Okay, yeah, see, 4 ringgit. Today below 2 ringgits already. Okay, now let's turn to textile industry. If not mistaken, also sangat cantik lah. If I can recall. Okay, I'm surprised this one's still good. Okay, this one is very similar like MacLean. Yesterday got a hammer at support. Still holding right sideways. Okay, again, one of the good counters to worth to put into our watches and monitor first. So yeah, McLean, Hexstar Industry. Okay, these two still good. Okay, but Hexstar Industry, over here we got a little bit of like a false breakout like this. Okay, so normally if we got false breakout, I believe probably they will retest around 40 cents again. So maybe it'll drop further, sorry, before they push up. Okay, normally got a false breakout will happen because they need to clear off the weak holders. Okay, the one that parking and resistance. So yes, still good overall considering in this market condition. Okay, McLean Hexstar Industrial is good. Okay, now let's turn to Yuli. Yuli also I didn't follow for some time. Netgate no lah. Netgate's wow. Now you have to tell me you want to enter or sell. Okay, now this kind of counters we all know. Okay, this kind of counter we all know is a pump and dump style. Okay, it's a pump and dump style. Normally, when you see the volume, the candlestick and volume disharmony is a pump and dump style. Okay, it's a pump and dump style. What do it means by disharmony? Okay, so which means that the candles narrow, okay, and the volume can be high, low, doesn't matter, volume high or low, they keep narrow. Okay, a harmonic candle is white candle high volume, not narrow candle low volume. That's harmonic. This is disharmonic candles. So which means that it's a pump and dump. Okay. Second thing is that you see that it goes up 1 bit by 1 bit, 1 bit by 1 bit. Normally, yes, that one. Remember, like I think last year, right? Those are counters limit down one, right? From all it's kind of similar like this. Like I think like YNH property, all this kind. Okay. So actually, this one a bit difficult to tell you whether. Okay, if you are looking for entry, it's actually for me it's a bit difficult to tell you whether you can buy or not because what happens is that this kind of counter can drop badly within 2 or 3 days, then slowly later they'll climb back. Okay, I think previously Ultronic also doing the same things. Okay, I'm not sure how's Ultronic doing right now. Okay, now if you are looking for entry, okay, let's see that because normally for me this kind of counters no point to look into support resistance one. Okay, or unless if you really want to wait for them to build a support somewhere around, I think 50 cent area is a good area to look into, which is right now. Okay, because there's a weekly 20-40 day moving average area. Okay, but so far I didn't see any so-called good setups. Okay, again, not sure you're looking for long term or short term also. Are you planning to buy and hold and counteract the trends or not? Okay, this one over here, I still can tell a good setups. Okay, maybe 1 week later from now, we'll see how it goes. Now, the one that going up slow and steady with harmonic volume, I think so far I can spot is RCE cap, but I didn't follow for some time also already. Now, RCE caps like this. Of course, right now it's exhausted already. Anything that goes up for sometimes when 100% one, it eventually get exhausted, which is right now shown in the chart. But previously over here, you notice right the trend going up and usually is totally different type of behavior. So if you notice over here, we got high volume, low volume, and you actually follow the style of the candle. Okay, let type A if you understand this part. Type B if let's say it's confusing. Okay, so there's difference between Yuli and RCE cap. Okay, RCE cap, it goes up but with a harmonic volume, harmonic candles. Yuli goes up with a disharmonic candles. So normally I like to trade this kind more compared to Yuli style. Okay, it's not that Yuli no good but just that sometimes when they sell are very scary one. You buy already 1-2 weeks later they drop, and the kind of drop right, you don't even have time to plan for exit one. Okay, it will like one bar straight away kill you off already. Okay, so let's get into Netgates. Netgates also, I think it's a distribution sign of distributions already. I think this one we explained several times since a few weeks ago that you have to be careful whenever this kind of candle appears. Okay, when the candle change, okay, like for example here we do see narrow, and suddenly it becomes wider, and the volume start to spike up already. Okay, so first deep pullback, second distributions. Okay, but for me, this one also macam sudah it's over lah, unless you are looking for a temporary technical rebound. Okay, for quick trades, then I think yes, possible. So okay, now here we got inverse pullback as well. Okay, here, notice over here. This is a bit similar like Pardini also. Okay, so here, period supports, drop, tested, okay, top. Okay, so join, you're looking for Pardini, right? So yes, support lah. That's why I mentioned 1.6, if not mistaken. Okay, is the support. Drop below, careful. Okay, so now this one is net gates. Volume yesterday on green candles. I think maybe it will do a little bit of technical rebound, but still not strong. Still not strong. So I'm not sure you plan buy, hold, hoping them to go back to almost 3 ringgits, or maybe you buy, you're waiting for them to go back to 1 ringgit 50 cents. So let's say going back to 1 ringgit 50 cents, okay, I think yes, you will have a temporary technical rebound. But 3 ringgits, I don't think so. Okay, again, I'm wrong, but so far, because I do see this pattern is more like a distributions patterns really. It's not a deep pullback patterns. Okay, so if you look into weekly chart also, shooting star, this one. Okay, now shooting star like this, okay. Of course, not okay lah. For me, not okay lah, because it also representing this price will drop badly. But at least this shooting star, if you notice here, it didn't come with it come with high volume, but it didn't come with extremely high volume. Okay, and the candles for me still okay. It's still kind of like harmonic. Okay, the spread of the candles still very kind of like same. So yes, they do a deep pullback. Okay, but here you notice the candle is extremely wide. Okay, of course you have to take the tail into consideration as well, and the volume spike up. Okay, so you know that this is most probably it's not going to be a deep pullback because this one breaks support. It's not going to be a deep pullback. So let's say if you are planning to buy whole, okay, I think it somehow is a bit risky in my opinions. Aiming for technical rebound, I think yes, okay, but probably you need to look into the hourly chart. So I'm not sure what is your so-called plan for net gates. But for me, I temporarily just avoid first. Okay, P Global. This is Pentec Global, right? If not mistaken, Biotech. Okay, P Global, new IPO stock. Tak boleh nampak chart lah, tak boleh tengok chart. Okay, but so far they are actually above support lah, I assume. Okay, because this one not much of the information here. So okay, now let's look into hourly chart first. Entry exit. If entered, look for a confirmation reversal. Okay, right now looks like a shooting star from this gap. Need to cross this gap to ensure there's momentum above 50 cents. If not, it's just like this shooting star, then it dropped further later on. Okay, but again, too bad this is a new IPO counter size. Sometimes for technical perspective, we have to look for more candles. This one is too little candle. Okay, but so far, setup wise, based on our chart, not too strong yet. Okay, because right now it's from a shooting star. Okay, so let's say later on few hours, maybe if you tag you in my XIFU Telegram, maybe later after lunch you can ask me in Telegram also. Okay, then I will check again using our chart whether they will stay over here or not. Okay, let's try Kopi lah, because Kopi also during IPO very hot lah. Now it's like slowly getting boring already. Okay, for example, this is a good one. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, let me zoom in. So here, gap down, the price goes up but rejected, and then sideways drop. So I takut this one will happen in Pentec Global. So that's why I say that I need to see the price cross the gap, okay, to ensure there is some hope, some sort of like a momentum building, okay, on the area. Okay, now probably last one, LC Titans. Okay, so once again, thank you for joining me. At least today got view lah. Yesterday langsung tak ada lah. Yesterday's boring market. Today also boring market. But if you are here, you like my section, again, appreciate if you can help me to share this out. Click the like buttons for me. Okay, thank you for your support. Join my Telegram. Okay, so that yes, market is boring, but somehow, you know, if we are in the markets right now, we have to consistently still monitor the market, okay, because we never know. Okay, market sometimes will come back bullish for a few months, then die off again. So we have to be prepared. Okay, so hopefully we can do this together in our communities. So okay, now LC Titans, too bad still downtrend, bro. This one. Okay, I don't really can see a nice setups again because even though here volume is building, but this one is a stronger volume, and this stronger volume also cannot really make a reversal. So it's a bit disappointing. So I don't think this kind of volume you're able to change the direction yet for Aussie Titan. So I'm not sure looking for long term or short term side. If let's say look for long term, maybe wait for them to do some sideways accumulation. So if you are looking for a technical rebound, then I think yes, potentially to retest around 50 cents area. Okay, volume is building up, so maybe it will have a temporary technical rebound. But real reversal, I still haven't seen that yet. Okay, because volume is a bit weak at this so-called bottoms. So okay, now let's get into analyzer. I know LC Titan used to be a good FA counters. Okay, used to be loved by okay. Let's say I used to be here is one of the bottom. This is weekly back to 2020. Okay, if let's say back to 2020, they are almost at one of the so-called support already. Wow, this counter used to be 3 ringgits, now become 30 over cents, 40 over cents. Okay. Okay, almost touching the previous support. So right now is a good time for you to check. Maybe volume will come later on. Okay. But this one normally have to take 1 or 2 months time. Okay, analyzer wise, FA also not so good. 3 ringgit now, 3 out of 9. DA out definitely DA is out So yeah rating wise it's not so good also, but let's see, because it hits the previous so-called support. This is a nice volume to change the directions. Okay, so let's see whether this part here will have this kind of volume or not. If yes, then yeah, it's a good chance for us to look for something at least maybe range trading back to 1 ringgit also good Okay, it's good. At least got meat to eat Okay, but surprise this kind of counters 3 ringgit also can drop until. I know LC Titan used to be one of the favorite counters by a lot of people, but recent years it's quiet. Okay, now I know why. Okay, I think sorry, I didn't really focus lots of so-called blue chip counters, but what I know right now is the recent they say Nestle is it also dropped quite badly. Okay. This one from 100 almost to 140 to 70 ringgit until to 70 ringgit. The other one I think is FN. This also dropped quite badly, or BAT is it? I think it's BAT. Okay, normally this kind of counter I don't really see and touch on because my capital is small. But also also surprised quite bad. This one is how much? 12 ringgit to now 6 ringgit, almost 6 ringgit. Okay, kind of similar in areas of 4 ringgit now 2 ringgits. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Hopefully we're able to see some sort like a supports coming in with volume. Then from there we can aim bottom fishing. All right, with this, once again, thank you for joining me. Like I said, if you like my sections over here, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, and I will see you again tomorrow.